People say there's no free lunch. Well, we say yes, there is with foods. An AI-based platform where restaurants market for free and foodies eat for free. Hi, my name is Natalia Wong and I am Valentina Wong. We are sisters and the founders of Foods. COVID-19 affected many industries, and the restaurant industry was especially hard hit as they were unable to open for many, many months. At the beginning of the pandemic in March 2020, the National Restaurant Association estimated that sales for restaurant industries will decline by $225 billion in just 3 months, which will prompt the loss of between 5 to 7 million jobs. The full economic impact, according to the association, will be $675 billion because every dollar spent in restaurants generates an additional $2 elsewhere in the economy. So it is really important to keep restaurants alive. Before COVID times, the food industry already spent $14 billion to market. That's a lot of money just to get people to come eat your food. To recover, restaurants would need to do even more marketing, but they may not even have the huge budget they once had. And worse still, even if they had the budget, most foodies don't trust advertising. So when I was doing my food business last year, I didn't even have a budget to spend on marketing, and I relied solely on word of mouth, which was kind of effective, but it was hard to find people to review our food. Small food businesses seem to have the same problems. So how can we help these restaurants get exposure they desperately need without spending their limited budget on effective marketing? That's why we started Foods, a food sharing platform where restaurants let foodies eat for free. And the foodies in return must share in reviews with friends and family on social media. It's what they do anyways, right? So first, a restaurant creates a campaign by setting the amount they want to subsidize and the criteria. For example, specific times, the dishes they want the customers to try, the platform they want their reviews to be seen on, and the hashtag they want on the post, and so on. Once we have approved it, the campaign will go on live. And using AI, our platform will find the right target foodies and suggest the restaurants to them. The foodie selects, books, eat, and pay as normal. And that is how the restaurant get back the money they spent. And that's how they get free marketing with the right target customers. Simple, right? So, how do foodies eat for free, you may ask? For foodies, when they log into our platform, the AI system will suggest suitable restaurants based on their personal preferences and background. They then select the one they want to go and try, and Foods will give them an amount to spend. Then they need to share their experience on their social media with photos and hashtags based on the requirements from the restaurant. Once they have done that, they must submit the proof of their post and their official receipt from the restaurant, and will get subsidized from that. Friends and family trust these authentic reviews far, far more than advertising. And that is how foodies eat for free. Yummy. The platform will allow restaurants to track their campaigns and for foodies to track the subsidies they have received through the platform. And this will encourage them to come back for more. So you may be wondering, if the restaurant is marketing for free and foodies get to eat for free, how will we, the platform, make money? Let me explain. There are 3 packages for the restaurants to choose from, and Foods earn the difference between the package price and the actual amount of subsidies made. Let me show you an example. A restaurant chooses the silver package, which is $500, and each foodie gets a $50 subsidy to spend. As soon as the spending from foodies reaches the amount of the chosen package, the campaign ends. Foodies typically order more than what their subsidies are. So in this example, the first 5 customers already spent enough to cover the $500 the restaurant paid. As a result, Food paid out $250 to foodies, and when the campaign ended, earning a 50% from this deal. 91% of foodies said they would like to try this platform, and 79% of them would definitely share it on their social media. 67% of food businesses indicated that they would like to test this free marketing strategy. With foods, we are able to create a community to help restaurants while rewarding foodies with good food. And this market wants this, and we would like to invite you to help us make this a reality. And who is to disrupt the food industry with free food and marketing, right? After all, the world will be a yummier place with foods. Thank you.